Airfix kits in the middle of Lidl for under £7 each. Find out more here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Now yes, Lidl, the low-cost supermarket here in the UK, has announced its 2022 Christmas lineup of toys and activities, and part of that is a quite large range of Airfix kits at £6.99 each. Now, I know you've seen Airfix kits at this time of year before. Only some of them are being repeated in this offer. There's a load of different ones here. You're going to want to get down to Lidl. This opens on Thursday the 1st of December. Okay, Thursday the 1st of December this offer goes in store. I know I'm going to be beating down the door first thing in the morning to get my hands on some of these. Let's have a look and see what kits are on offer. To start off, the Battle of Britain classics. The Supermarine Spitfire, the Hawker Hurricane, and of course the Messerschmitt Bf 109. For a slight different twist, from the Far East Theatre is the legendary Mitsubishi Zero, and I must say I've made this, it's an excellent kit. From the Jet Age is this Fallen Gnats fast jet trainer used by a generation of fighter pilots, as well as the world famous Yellow Jacks and Red Arrows display teams. On firmer ground are the American Sherman and German Tiger tanks. Both of these are the latest style of starter sets. These are incredibly easy to make, and yet they produce stunning results. There's also the famous Willys Jeep, just for a bit of variation. And finally, a touch of elegance with the Cutty Sark. If you're ever in East London, she's now an excellent museum ship. What a beauty. So there we go. Amazing set of kits there, I think you'll agree. You won't have seen a lot of these in an offer last year, or probably even the year before. You know what, modelling is so good for you. It gets people away from video games. It gives you concentration, it gives you dexterity, manual skills. It's you can read up about the history of the kit you're making. You learn some history as well. And do you know what, it's just, for anyone of any age, it's just generally really good for keeping the mental health going. It's hobbies are amazing things. This is a really cheap way into a brilliant hobby. Now, all of these kits come with your glue, they come with your paints, and you come with a paintbrush, as well as all the parts of the kit, and of course the decals or transfers as we used to call them. You can make a beautiful looking kit with really not that much effort, but you know what, it's so rewarding sitting that on a shelf. £6.99 each. 1st of December at Lidl. Now, just before you go rushing out, I just wanted to talk about one last thing. Every Airfix kit comes with a token for one or more flying hours on the side of the box. These tokens can be collected towards a free kit in the future if you're a member of the Airfix Club. But if not, rather than throwing them away, why not cut them out and send them to Models for Heroes? This is a charity that uses model making as an effective therapy for members of the armed forces and emergency services who are living with mental health challenges as a result of their service. So, in this season of goodwill, don't let the rubbish bin have your tokens. Send them to Models for Heroes, and Airfix will swap them for new kits. If you want to know more, then a link to this superb charity is here, also in the information box below. So that's it, a range of Airfix kits, £6.99 each, 1st of December they come on sale. These are going to be while stocks last, so don't hang around. Get those stocking fillers, get those treats for yourselves, get these amazing kits, and you know what, you can even help some people by doing it. Now, if you enjoyed the show, please remember, give us a thumbs up on the button below, and hey, why not, whilst you're here, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified when more videos come out in the future. In any case, I wish you joy of the festive season, however you choose to celebrate it, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye now.